Hello everyone. Hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah always. Hope guys you're going to pass inshallah your drum test. I am with my friend Mr. Eric. Hopefully inshallah also he can pass his exam soon. Always train good, be focused, be confident, you'll be okay.
Eric, you okay?
Yeah.
Good, good. Eric, can I go to the slope? Okay,
Okay.
and then come back to the drum again.
To the here.
You can go from here left and direct to the slope. Okay, and then when you are finished from the slope, come back to the again here to
Okay.
the drum. Okay, take care. Huh?
Yeah.
Let's see, Eric, what you do. You go left to the slope. That way. Yes, turn left. Go ahead.
Okay, so our brother Mr. Eric is going to the slope, you know. Like this guys, when you are really passed from the drum test, the police will tell you go to the slope. Before the slope on the right side, you need to stop for the parking, park your car there, and then you have to get out from the car, give your ID card to the police who's in the office. Then the police tell you go to the slope. Like that. You have to stop before the line. There's a signal red first. After that, they open for you green, and then go ahead. Like what the Eric he do now.
We go down to the direct to the drum. Good, Eric, good. That drum, Eric. Yeah, good, good, good. Okay.
All right, so our brother Mr. Eric, mashallah, he's getting more better. Yeah, wish him good luck, inshallah. Hopefully, we'll take him to exam on Sunday. Yeah, he's already getting ready now. So Mr. Eric now is on the right side, watching round number four. Should be in the middle between two and three. You'll stop, turn for your right. You do it well. So yeah, from the right side, he keep watching drum number one. You have to keep space between the car bumper and first drum and stop, and then you turn for the right. Great. Yeah, good, good, brother. Yes.
Okay.
All right, guys. So every student should be follow the his instructor trick, if better, because from car to other different size. Small car is different size, big car, it's different size. So you should follow your trainer, your instructor is better. Like my car from the left side is 70%, no problem. If you keep also 65, 60, it's okay, it's work. So better you follow the your trainer, or your instructor before you're going for your exam.
Super. Thank you.